Are you tired of using cheap and unreliable power banks that can't keep up with your demanding lifestyle? Do you struggle to find a portable charger that's both powerful and compact? Look no further. In this review, we'll be taking a closer look at the Aoostar GEM12 Pro, a high-capacity power bank that promises to deliver all the power you need on the go. For the best price, click the link in the description /N. But here's what surprised me when I started using the Aoostar GEM12 Pro, its sheer capacity. With a whopping 20,000 mAh battery, this thing is a beast. But don't just take my word for it, let's dive deeper into the specs and see if it lives up to the hype. First off, the design of the Aoostar GEM12 Pro is sleek and modern, with a compact shape that fits easily in your pocket or backpack. The build quality feels solid and premium, with a metal exterior that gives it a high-end feel /N. But there's more to this power bank than just its looks. Let's take a closer look at the features. One of the standout specs is the 3A fast charging capability, which can quickly top up your phone or tablet in no time. And with 4 USB ports, you can charge multiple devices at once /N. But what about durability? I know some of you may be worried about the longevity of your power bank after a few months of use. Fear not, the Aoostar GEM12 Pro has passed rigorous testing for heat resistance and safety standards, so you can trust it to keep going even in extreme conditions /N. There's something that got me interested in this product: its price point. How can a power bank with such impressive specs be offered at an affordable price? Let's break down the cost-benefit analysis. The Aoostar GEM12 Pro is priced competitively, especially considering the 20,000 mAh capacity and multiple USB ports /N. But what about some of you who may not need this much power? Would it be worth the investment if you're just looking for a simple phone charger? Let's explore that further. One thing to note is that while the Aoostar GEM12 Pro has plenty of power, it does take up some space in your bag. If compactness is a top priority, this may not be the best choice /N. However, if you're willing to sacrifice a bit of size for the extra juice, then the Aoostar GEM12 Pro could be an excellent option. And let's not forget about the eco-friendliness. With so many single-use batteries contributing to waste, it's refreshing to see a product that encourages sustainability /N. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this really worth buying? The answer depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a reliable power bank that can keep up with your demanding lifestyle, then the Aoostar GEM12 Pro is definitely worth considering /N. But if you're short on space or on a tight budget, there are plenty of other options out there to explore. And before we conclude, let's summarize some key points about this product. The Aoostar GEM12 Pro has impressed me with its specs and features, but as with any purchase, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons /N. Here are a few things you might want to consider. The high capacity of 20,000 mAh may be excessive for casual users. Some users have reported issues with the charging speed on lower capacity devices. As with any power bank, there's always a risk of overheating or safety concerns if not used properly. However, considering its impressive specs and price point, I think the Aoostar GEM12 Pro is definitely worth taking a closer look at. And if you do decide to purchase it, be sure to check out our link in the description for the best price /N. In conclusion, the Aoostar GEM12 Pro is a powerful and compact power bank that's perfect for anyone who needs extra juice on the go. While there are some potential downsides to consider, its impressive specs and eco-friendliness make it an excellent option for those willing to invest in a high-quality product /N. So what do you think? Have you tried the Aoostar GEM12 Pro before, or is this something that's caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below /N.